Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss about eczema. Eczema is a term for several different types of skin swelling. It's also called dermatitis. Most types cause dry, itchy skin and rashes on the face, inside the elbows and behind the knees, and on the hands and feet. Scratching the skin can cause it to turn red and to swell and itch even more. Atopic eczema, that is the atopic dermatitis, is the most common form of eczema which causes the skin to become itchy, dry and cracked. It's more common in children, but it may also develop for the first time in adults. It's usually a long-term or chronic condition, although it can improve significantly or even clear completely in some children as they get older. Atopic eczema causes the skin to become itchy, dry and cracked and sore. Some people only have small patches of dry skin, but others may experience widespread inflamed skin all over the body. Inflamed skin can become red on lighter skin and darker brown, purple or grey on darker skin. This can also be more difficult to see on darker skin. People with atopic eczema usually have periods when symptoms are less noticeable, as well as periods when symptoms become more severe, which are called flare-ups. The exact cause of atopic eczema is unknown, but multiple factors may be responsible for causing eczema. It often occurs in people who get allergies. Atopic means sensitivity to allergens. It can run in families and often develops alongside other conditions such as asthma and hay fever. The symptoms of atopic eczema often have certain triggers such as soaps, detergents, stress and the weather. Sometimes food allergies can play a part, especially in young children with severe eczema. Treatment for atopic eczema can help to relieve the symptoms and in many cases improve over time. But there is currently no cure, and severe eczema often has a significant impact on daily life, which may be difficult to cope with physically and mentally. There is also an increased risk of infection. Many different treatments can be used to control symptoms and manage eczema, including self-care techniques such as reducing scratching and avoiding triggers. Emollients like moisturizing treatments are used on a daily basis for dry skin. Topical corticosteroids are used to reduce swelling, redness, and itching during flare-ups. Other types of eczema include discoid eczema. It's a type of eczema that occurs in circular or oval patches on the skin. Contact dermatitis. It's a type of eczema that occurs when the body comes into contact with a particular substance. Varicose eczema. It's a type of eczema that most often affects the lower legs and is caused by problems with the flow of blood through the leg veins. Seborrheic eczema is a type of eczema where red scaly patches develop on the sides of nose, eyebrows, ears and scalp. Dihydrotic eczema is a type of eczema that causes tiny blisters to erupt across the palms of the hands. People with atopic eczema can sometimes develop physical and psychological problems like bacterial skin infections, viral skin infections, psychological effects like depression, low self-esteem. School children may experience teasing or bullying if they have atopic eczema. Sleep-related problems are common among people with eczema. A lack of sleep may affect mood and behavior. It may also make it more difficult to concentrate at school or work. I hope you like this video.